In today's video, I will show you how to set up your Tenda router for the very first time. Very simple. Here it's my Tenda router. It's now turned on already. You can see my green light is blinking. So as long as it's now turned on, so from my Android phone, I am now going to Wi-Fi, and I just selected the Tenda BAF0B8. You can find different Wi-Fi address, but you just need to connect with the Tenda. Okay, so I just connected. After the connection, you just need to enter to the IP address. You can see 192.168.0.1. so you can find the IP address different. So how to find the IP address? You can see if you look at the packet and or the back panel, here you will find the IP address. You can see here is IP address 192.168.0.1. You can find the IP address different, but whatever the IP address is, you need to enter to the IP address. So open Google Chrome like this and enter the IP address. Okay, so I just entered the IP address, and here the option is very simple. 3 connection type, right? PPP OE, dynamic IP, and static IP. So just first of all, I would say forget the static IP, because in general your ISP will give you username and password, right? So select the PPP OE for if you'd like to connect the router to directly your ISP. Okay, so let's say your ISP set up the line and you have a connection over here. So if you have the connection here, you just need to select PPP OE and then enter the username and password from the ISP. They will give you the username and password. And here is the Tenda. You can see I just connected this Wi-Fi name, right? So it's the local Wi-Fi name that you want to connect with. Okay, and you just need to enter the password, whatever the password you want, and then press OK, and there you go. The router will restart, and you can use the router by connecting to the changed Wi-Fi. Okay, very simple. Now let me talk about the dynamic IP. Dynamic IP is only for, let's say it's not your main Wi-Fi. If you use this Wi-Fi as your secondary Wi-Fi, let's say you have already set up one router with your ISP. Now you have a very large room or building, you want to use this router as your secondary router. In that case, you just have to use the dynamic IP. So you can see if you choose dynamic IP, there is only 2 boxes, Wi-Fi username and password. There is no ISP username and password, because it's not required. It will collect internet from your first Wi-Fi. Okay, so very simple. You just need to select dynamic IP and change the Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi password. Click OK. If you click OK, it will take like maybe 1 or 2 minutes and it will be set up. Very simple.